This thing is actually really cool. Does a whole bunch of different things. As you can see, I'm a big dude and I'm easily able to move this around, even though I'm probably not the strongest guy, and I weigh about 275 pounds. However, the max on this is 229, but it's carrying me really, really easily. Some cool features about this that I think you'll really like, and it kind of like combines wheelchair with transport chair. So this right here will pop up, and then you can do the same thing with this one over here. And then these arms right here that you use your arms to move the wheels with, they do also easily pop off. So you just unscrew them just like this. They slide off. So if you need to pull this up to a bed or up to a vehicle, something like that, and then you have the person slide off and on, they can easily do that. And then as you see right here, it does have a brake. It's gonna have one of those on both sides. Boom, right there, just like that. I'll go ahead and put this to the side so I can kind of show you some more of the things that are on here. You are also going to have the seat belt right here so that you can easily belt and unbelt the individual that's inside here. You have these nice mud flaps down here as well. So if this does happen to kick up anything, not a problem. Up here, up front, you do also have these. Boom. Can easily slide them in or out however you want to. These move up and down just like that. There you go, however you want to do those. And then these do also just pop right off. All you gotta do is take them here to the side and just get our brake out of the way. And then you just pop them up and out of the way, just like that. And then same thing for putting them on. You just push them back on and they lock into place. That one locks into place. Now here on the back side of this, you are also going to have some nice little operations, such as handbrakes up here. We'll go ahead and put this back down out of the way. You do have handbrakes up here, and these handbrakes, they do also lock. So if you are using this, like I said, as a transport chair and pushing them, you can just easily lock that. You do also have some wheelie bars back here. So if you're in this and you give it just a little bit too much, not to worry, you won't wheelie. And then also that makes this great for going up and down stairs. Additionally, this thing is really nice when traversing, not only great for this way, but I'm not sure if you can see it, but there is a little bit of movement on the left and the right. So it makes it great for going over uneven surfaces. Now we'll go ahead and put this other arm back down. And then in regards to folding this up, really easy, pretty much just like a standard wheelchair. It does have a Velcro piece down here. Go ahead and undo that Velcro piece and then give this a good pull up, and boom, right there you go. Folds up nice and neat. If you are limited on space, these do also fold down just like that. And there you go. You have a nice compact wheelchair right here. Easy to pick up, weighs about 40 pounds right there. So not too heavy overall. Overall, this one right here, great little product. Like I said, these guys did send us this one. The name brand on this one here is, it's a little bit of a weird name. Right back here, Retaoldth, I guess is how you say that. Also, a little bit compartment back here to be able to stow away some stuff. And as you see down here, this is belt driven. So whenever you are using this, 30% less energy, I guess is what you would say in regards to whenever you're moving this compared to a standard wheelchair. So if you're a weak person and you want a self-propelled wheelchair, fantastic right here. This will get it done. So yeah, this one right here, go ahead and check this one out.